Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on OKX Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular OKX app on your phone. Once you have tapped on it, this is how the interface gonna pop up. Now for you to create your account, it's an easy method. Simply have to tap on this option of sign up and login. Now you're going to tap on this option of country and region and choose your particular country. You can also choose to simply search for it. Once you're done adding that, tap on this option of next. Now you simply have to confirm your location. Simply go ahead, enter your email address, enter your referral code if you have got one. Once you've added your email address, tap on sign up. They will simply send you a verification email on your Gmail account. Now go ahead, open it up, go to inbox, copy the particular code for you to verify, come over here, paste it, verify yourself, and then you will be done. So you just need to add the information as it asks for you to further confirm. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.